Hello and welcome to DNA's Garage, and today I'm going to be doing a junkyard run. Since the other day when I was putting the cam on the intake side, I snapped the bolt and just completely derailed this project. So I'm going to have to get a new head, since when I was trying to drill it out, it was not working. So I'd rather go to the junkyard, get a new head, just head on out. Alright, so right here I have a used head from the junkyard that I got yesterday, and I didn't finish that video. And I'm going to be cleaning up. It's full of gunk. And I'm going to be cleaning this, and I'm going to be putting it in the engine, since I broke one of these little bolts from the head that came with the engine. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like this video for more upcoming videos on this engine build. It's almost done. Next is the cams, making sure I put the cams on right and how to time it and all that. So